How to add member in Amazon Prime? Well, it's pretty simple. You don't have to create a secondary account for them. Like whatever like login detail you have on your Amazon Prime, just give it to them, email and the password. Once they log in, if they're logging in from a new device, it's going to send a verification code to your email or your phone number, whatever you used when you created your Amazon account. Send them the code. Once they enter the code in their new device is going to be registered under your Amazon account. So next time if they try to log in into Amazon Prime, it's not going to ask for verification code. They can just enter the email, password, log in into the device. And once you do that, basically you're good to go. They can use your Amazon Prime account. Now you need to have a family pack version of Amazon Prime where simultaneously 6 to 4 people can use your Amazon Prime account. If you don't have that, the moment the person logs into the Amazon account on that device and uses it, you will automatically be logged out, and yeah, that's basically what it's going to cause. So buy yourself an Amazon Prime family membership option and give your account info to your family members so they can log in, and give them the code so they can register and start using it. That's how you guys can add members in Amazon Prime. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.